Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a bit of a triple treat going on. Going to fly the RC planes. Turn around. So we've got the three of them today. So we've got the Cirrus Sr22T. We've got the F-16 or Eagle, which is the 64mm EDF jet, and we've got a brand new, yet to be flown, twin Otter, the 1.4 meter version. Pretty optimal conditions out here at the local flying park / football field. So let's get into it. Alright, so first up, now we're going to fly the twin Otter. Like I said, it's the 1.4 meter version. It's relatively a new plane out on the market. The model, that is, not the actual plane. That's been around for 50 odd years, I think. Just a quick rundown on my build of this. It was a very simple build. Now these antennas come out for transportation. I just left them in, put them in the back of the car. Now this little hatch at the back here, access the receiver and a couple of the gyros, not gyros, the servos and whatnot. Pull off the cockpit. One thing I did notice when building it was the screws are super soft. Don't over tighten them, otherwise you'll break the head off, like I did when I was putting on one of the wing struts. It just broke off. Now the center of gravity, I'm using a 4S battery. This plane runs on a 3S and a 4S, 2200 milliamp. I'm using the 4S. Now in the manual it said center of gravity is 51 mil from the leading edge, +9 or +9. I found 51 mil with the 4S battery, pushed all the way back to this little recessed compartment here. The 51 mil was pretty much spot on. Oh, and up she goes, beautiful. Oh, and that was without flaps. I forgot about the flaps. Let's try and bring it in a bit closer, a bit lower. Flies nice and steady, straight out of the box. Oh, it climbs really fast, really good. Now I've just set 5 minutes on my timer to start with. I think in the manual it actually said 6 minutes, can't recall. Ah, the climb angle on that's really good. Loving this plane. Now I've got some footy posts here. I'm tempted to try and fly between them, but nah. Nice open field here, even for a footy field. All the light poles, few and far between, well spaced out. Cardinal sin there, flew into the sun. Look, that's flying about quarter throttle beautifully. A beautiful looking plane. This is my first twin prop plane. I've only ever owned the singles and a couple of EDF jets. Right, let's try a touch and go. Oh, double touch. I need a bit of practice on my landings. I haven't flown for a while, so a bit rusty, and maybe still the nerves a little bit about flying a new plane. Look at this plane. Nice big 1.4 meter wingspan. Sounds good. I'm going to bring it in now. Time's up on the controller. Now look at those props spinning. The black and white props, they look fantastic. And these, they're not, I wouldn't call them oversized wheels, but they're much bigger wheels. Make it ideal for takeoff and landing on the grass. Now this is short grass, but still nonetheless. Alright. And that is the 1.4 metre twin Otter. Let's see how much battery that went through. Now I went a little bit over time there. Now I'm using a 100C rating battery, so alright, 56% battery. I'm going to send it back up. I enjoyed flying this. It's a very STOL capabilities. There's short takeoff and landing. Alright, I think that'll do. I'm going to bring it back in. Let's hope this landing's a bit better, eh? Nah, got that double bounce going. But it landed in one piece, and that's what I'm happy about. Alright, here we are, all ready to go with the Cirrus. Now you notice that if you look back at the video, the twin Otter battery compartment was nice and clean and tidy. The Cirrus is a bit messy, but the battery's in place, located at centre of gravity. Now running the same 4S battery, obviously a different battery, a charged one. Okay. Make sure surface controls are okay. Oh. Look at this plane fly. It's a lot faster than the Otter. Man, it's got some go to it. Oh yeah, I love this plane. Now for those of you that don't know, Angelina Jolie, the actress, actually flies the full scale, the real life version of this plane. Little bit of trivia for you. Alright. Oh, look at that. Just fucking, no, sorry. Just turns on a dime. Man, this is a beautiful plane to fly. I must say, it seems a little twitchy from last time I flew it. But it's staying in the air until I decide to bring it down, and that's the main thing. And bring it down on its landing gear. It just turns so much faster than the Otter. Now both planes have nav lights and landing lights. Obviously can't see them in the bright of day, but it would be good flying these planes at dusk. Oh yeah, I can actually see the lights on the wingtips. They're very bright, LEDs. Now I could just flick it into AS3X and like do a few like rolls, and I don't know what all the terminology is, a loop, and, you know, fly inverted. I have done it before, flying inverted, not really comfortable with it. I will do a loop here and there, but I prefer just to fly, just cruise around. I'm hoping all this is in focus. Landing flaps. Alright, that's better. I love it when these planes take off. Gee, it gets me excited on the inside and the out. Alright, I went between the goalposts, but at the higher echelon off those posts, if that's the right word. One day I'll do it. Kick a goal with a plane. Very agile plane, this. Hope you can hear that, the sound of this plane, because it sounds beautiful, really good. Just a low speed pass here. Oh yeah. Alright, gonna bring her in, folks. Alright, last landing, let's nail this one, eh? Yay! He does it! And there you have it, folks. The old faithful, the Cirrus SR22 and its new sister, the twin Otter 1.4. The Cirrus is 1.3 metre wingspan, but completely different planes to fly, but both fun nonetheless. Alright folks, that's it for my flying today. I did say triple treat at the start, but not really comfortable flying the Eagle today. That'll be for another day. And if you're not comfortable in doing something, you just don't do it, especially where the plane is at risk, and money. Some of my planes at home are more glue than actual plane. But anyway, regardless of that, I hope you've enjoyed the video and my flights, and if you liked it, please give a thumbs up. Always goes a long way and is always much appreciated. See you next time.